Okay, so now we are going to start with the next topics. The next topic is yesterday we have discussed about different ways to write a CSS. So if you have a conceptual idea, that's more enough because you no need to uh, tell the sentence as well. So just you should have a what you can say a conceptual idea. So that is how it is going to be carried out. So sorry, this is JavaScript. This is the HTML. Okay. Yesterday we have discussed about the HTML links. So there is a target, a blank, and self. So this is the parent and top. You are going to be learn. You have multiple pages. When you are going with the multiple pages, so you are going to deal with the self and parent. Sorry, self and blank. Okay, so now we are going with the images. So we already know the images. So how to do images? The images is the one thing. So there is a image tag, source tag, alternative tag. So we already discussed. So next is the this is not that much important because already we have discussed. Only the image tag will be there. Source means where is the source is coming from, and this is the alternative. Alternative. This is a text and a width and height. So to define a width and height. So that is all about. Okay, so now here what happens? What is the background images? So here we are going to be see the background images. So for that I will create a rename index 6 sorry 7 dot html and the doc. So I don't want to type a full text, so just I am going for the doc. So we'll discuss about the images. The first one is we know normal images in the HTML. So that is we are going to discuss here. So how to do, what is the image tag? So how to type? See, you no need to type less than img and all. So just type img and hit enter. Automatically it will come. So if it is not coming means what package you need to install? img. So I am typing here img. Automatically if I click means if I click on this one, this tag will come. So for that, which tag we need to install? The tag is, if I will just show you, img. Here the emit is there. This emit extension we need to install. Okay. So this emit. So these are so many packages are there here. Okay. So which package you need to use? So that is you have to decide. So img. So here the emit abbreviation. So here you have to search like that emit, AMMIT. Emit. Okay, just search it. Yeah, 1 minute. Uh, I am see EMMET. That is sorry, EMMET. Where is that one? Emit. Yeah, you can go for the any that is a install packages. So then you are going to be give the automatic tag. You no need to type whole thing. Okay. So here what happens? You want any tag, so you know you can't remember every tag, right? So for that, img, so automatic emit abbreviation. The emit package already I have installed. So then hit enter. Automatically, it will give the img source and everything. Okay. So now what happens? So image how to specify forward slash images forward slash virat is there. Okay. So this is we know this one how to fetch the images. So how we will see whether it is imported properly or not. So hold the control key in our keyboard and the mouse over. If you click means that image should be open. Then it is properly imported. What if I added a something like this? Let's see. See, the error occurred loading the images because we have given a path double forward slash something like that. So the correct path is like this. Control this one. Okay. So now what happens? Uh, right click, open with the a live server. It is going to be open this one. So then what is the background image? So this is the normal image is there. So I want to set a background image. What is a background image? Okay, I will show you. So I will take a one paragraph here. So how to add a dummy text? The dummy text will be LO. So LO is a low param text. Save it. Enter. Save it. Okay. Reload it. So this is the text. So this one I will comment it. How to comment? Control forward slash is the commenter. Okay. So now this paragraph I want to set the background image. Okay. Okay. First we'll see how to write a style. Style. For the paragraph, I will write a style. I will add a border 2 pixel solid black. You no need to worry about this CSS part. Just understand border. I want to set a border solid black. 2 pixel means the thickness of that border. And here what happens? What is this one? Width I will mention around 600 pixel and so height no issues and what we use so we need to set the background images. Okay, so if you see here the background image, just a minute. How to set the background image means I will take a URL. So this is the method. So then I need a images. So if you want any images, there is a website called a Pixabay. You might heard or if you knew means Pixabay images, something like that. So you will get the free images, free HD images for the all the category. Okay, so this image I will check it, right click, inspect. So here I will get the path or else if you just okay free images I will take this image, right click, inspect. So here you will get the image path. Copy this one. So add here. So save it. So I have this is the background image for where? For the paragraph I am setting here. So right click, open with the live server. It is going to be apply the background for the paragraph. So here it is. I will close this one. See here. Why it is taking this much time is so it has to be go for this URL. Okay, where this is the cdn pixabay.com photos library. So where is a Pixabay server? Pixabay server might be US or UK, we don't know. So it is going to be hit to the server and fetch that image and as assign to the paragraph. Why? Because so we are setting inside the paragraph tag. Okay, see here the background image is set here, but if you want to see I will make the height will be around how much I need to set the height around 700 pixel. So width is a 600 pixel, height is a 700 pixel. So I have set a background image. See here. Okay, so this is the background image, but here it is repeating. But I don't want to repeat, but I want only one images. So for that, you have to go with the background repeat. So background repeat, no repeat. Control S will go here. See here. It is set to only one images because background repeat, no repeat means it is going to be not repeat. Okay. So this is how it will be there. So, okay. Now what are the properties? See here. Background images, this is the background repeat is this one. So background attachment fixed and background size is cover. Okay, so this is we are going to be learning the CSS more. So just we added this one. Okay, just you understand how to set the background image. So that's it. So background repeat is no repeat. So background attachment fixed means it is going to be fixed for the specific what we can say location, whether it's a top left or a top right or a bottom left or bottom right. Background size is cover means it is going to be cover the size. Okay. This is the what we can say HTML images. Next is a HTML table. So this is very very important because daily life you are going to be deal this one. Where if you want to see your results, okay, VTU results or engineering results or any results, how you are going to be see. So just I will search for the exam results. Okay, then search for the images. Okay, see here it is a showing a table, right? Here there is a table header and all. Why table? So anything it is visible in the table, no? So that is called a HTML tables. Okay. So this is a something receipt is there, but in the online if you want to see the VTU result, no? So that any exam is not only VTU. So it is showing in the form of a table. Wherever the form will come, then sorry table will come. So this is called a HTML table only. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will just remove for a while or else I will comment it. Comment means what? Control forward slash. It is disabled. It is there but it is disabled. It's like a no use. Okay, so I want to define a table. So for that h2 table, save it. Then we'll go here. I will take a first I will take a okay, what is the table structure? The table structure will be something like this. First, I will, okay. What is the table structure? This is a something table should be like this. Then there is a, uh, this is called a table header. Okay. And this is called a table footer. So if you have a footer, you can add it or just generally I am telling table footer. And so how I am going to define is a table row. This is this is called a TR, means a table header row. Okay, this is called a table row. This is like this. So it is going to be a table row like this, like this, like this. Okay, so this is called a table row. Inside a table row, table header is there. So then we have a table data. So this is called a table data. So table data will be something like this. Okay, this is called a table row, table data. This is called a one cell. Okay, so this is the table row. Left to right is a row. This is called a column. Okay, we'll write a one table. So I want to print the student table. So here I will make a table to student, sorry, student table. So table, so this is a table starting tag. Then you have a table row, table row. So what name I want to carry? Table is the header. So USN, sorry, table header. TH means table header. So something called a ID. First I will take a ID and second will be name, and third will be college, and fourth will be what is called a semester, something like that. Okay, so I will run here. Right click. Okay, so I will just remove whole thing. Okay, I will delete it because it will be taking. So I will delete this one too. Save it. Control S. We'll go to the code. Not here. See the ID, name, college. This one. So each one is called a table header. Th start and end tag, but inside a table row. So that is why it is displaying in the TR means table row, table header is there. Next, I want to display the one more table row, then table data. The USN will be something 100, and mm, one more TD is the, what is this one? Name. The name should be something Virat, and one more thing TD. College is RV college, and table data, and semester will be fifth. Okay, so this is a table row. See, this is a table row. Inside a table row we have a table header, table header, table header. Inside table row TD is there. Okay, okay. So ID, name, college, semester 100 Virat RV college, and a fifth semester is there. So I have a multiple data. How to do? Same thing. I will copy this one. So this table row, copy, enter, control V, enter, control V. This is 100, and this is 101, and this is 102. Virat, here it is a Rohit, and RV BMSIT college, and he is around 4 semester, and Shubnam, so UVC, and something called a sixth semester. Save it. We'll go to the browser. See here. This is a one table structure. Okay. So here what happens? So we are going to be what you can say uh, define a table, because this is a well structure. You will get a hall ticket. How will get a hall ticket? In the form of a table header, that is a ID and subject's name and a date and a exam evaluator sign, something like that. Same thing. So that is table structure. How it is printed? This is how we are going to be defined with a table tag. Okay, it look very basic. So I want to add some CSS for this one. How to apply? So how to apply? Right click, inspect, take this arrow mark and select here. See here, here TD is a, here is a, I want to write a for the table first. So how to write? See, I have selected a table here. I have selected table, then border 1 pixel solid blue. See, this is set for the border. So I will take this one. I will select both the thing. Control C. Will go here. I will write a CSS inside this one. Where to write? For the table. Okay. Table. Then open close brace. Control V. Save it. Will run here. So now also it's not looking good. So here what happens? I will write for the table row th and td. So here I will write a th td. So is it works? I think no. Why? Because we need to separate by comma. Now it looks somewhat good, but Here there is a something gap is there. Okay, so now what I have to use? Oh, border collapse. So I have one. You initially you are doing something like BORDER hyphen collapse. No need to write this one. So how to do this one? BOC automatically border collapse. It will come. It will take this one. It will take. So, sir, how you will get to know this one? So it will come by an like practice, okay? If you work for 1 month or 2 months, 3 months continuously, you will get to know, okay, border collapse. So it means you no need to type here. Everything it will give, you just intelligence will give, just you have to use it. Save it. So here what happens? So what we can see, ID, name, college, semester is there. So here something is left aligned. It should not looking good. So how to do? So for that text align. For that text align center. Save it. We'll go here. See all the text is aligned a center, 100 and all. So I have 100 data. So if you have 100 data, you just same design will be carried out. Save it, Control S. We'll go here, see here. So I want to set this table header is a different color. For that, you have to go for explicitly here, th open close brace, and background color will be something uh, light blue, light coral, something like that. Save it. We'll go here. Got it. So what is the use of CSS? You got it right. So CSS is it is going to be do everything. I will just remove this one. Control delete it. Delete it. Control S will go here. See how it looks very odd. I will just do Control Z. Control S will go here. Okay, so this is called how to fetch the like sorry how to define the a table. So got it. So this is the way how to design the HTML tables. Okay. So this is not that much logic here. So this is a just a, what you can say table. So what is this one? Table row, th is there. Okay. The next is a HTML list. Why we need a list again? So again, if you see here, Zomoto, I will go for the Zomoto, go for the all. I will open this one. So how the list is going to be shown here? You can take a Zomato or you can take a Swiggy. So anything. So it has to be going with some sort of a list. Okay. So let it be loading. A list. Why we need a list? Okay. You are going for the hotel. Okay. So what is the list? So there is a something called this is a list. Okay. So here something there is a some circles will be there. Okay. Okay. So so this is how it will be. The lists are there. So here something called what we can say. Okay. We'll show here list item. Yeah, still it is loading. Why? This is problem. I will go with the Swiggy. I will just go for the images. Okay, so here you are going to be see the like this is an example. Okay, here you are going to be see the images here, right? So first one, second one, third one. So these are all called a list. Okay, here you want to see here the one, two, three. This is the food items are there, no? So that is called a list. So we'll go for the all images. Okay, Here it is going to be show the some of the list here. Okay, idli is there, dosa is there, everything is there. So this is called a list. Again, they are going to top restaurant. They are also giving a this is the list. Okay, so here if you want to sort by delivery time or so many scenarios are there, ratings, high level, everything is displaying with the what we can say list. Okay, so I want to create a this one. Sorry. So this is a table is over. The next is what we are going with the list here. So here I will take a one more file called index8.html and the doc document. Save it. We'll add a h2 the list item. Okay. So then I will go here UL. So UL tag is what? Okay, what is the list tag? So there are two types of tags. Tags will be there. One is a order list. One is, another is a unordered list. So that is here. So UL means what? Unordered list. OL means order list. So I am going to be show both the list. So first we'll go for the unordered list. So that is a list. LI means list item. So a T and a LI. Okay, so what I will do, I will directly go here only. So this image I will take idli. So right click, inspect. So I will copy this one. Okay, Control C. So I want to add inside a list element image means what is the tag? IMG. We know this one. So this is the first list item. The second one is the LI is a list item. Then we'll go for a what we can call the dosa. Okay, so I will get the image here, copy. So the second will be img and save it. Okay, and I will add one more item. That is three items I will add. Okay, coffee I will add, or else I will take this burger or sorry sandwich. So img, paste it, save it. We'll go here. Okay, so now I want to run this one. How to run? Right click, open with the live server. Okay, so why it is taking this time instance? So it is going to be fetch from the these servers. Okay, so what is happening here? It is not loading. Why? Because so they have added some encrypted path here. So that is why it is not fetching properly. So if you want to fetch means how to do? So just go here, right click, save images. Okay, so D and training batches. So here, Feb 2024. Sorry, new HTML images. So first one is a idli. Second one will be save image as dosa and okay, sorry, sandwich. Okay, so just I want to close this one. So I will replace these images. Forward slash images forward slash. First one is a idli. The AVFI is a file name. Okay, something called what we can say. A JPG, PNG image will be there. No, same thing. IMG. Second one is what at least those yes, and third one will be something called a sandwich. Save it. We'll go to the our browser. We'll close one. See here. So this is the list is there. Okay. So this is a how we can design like this, but we need to write a CSS. We don't need to worry as of now. So this is called a list, the list item. So this is called a okay. So I don't want to this dot means what. So just we'll go for a style because we are learning the full deeply in the what you can say CSS. Sorry, li open close brace uh, list style type none, save it. See, dot will be gone. So this is called a list. Okay. So if you want to set a proper height and width, so just I will go here, right click, inspect. So I will set a width will be 100. Okay. Width is 100 pixel. That's more enough. So for that, I will just add a width here 100 pixel. So I will copy paste, copy, control V, control V, save it, run it. Okay. So this is the list. So what are all the different types? Unordered list. Unordered list means here it is a the dot will come, dot, square, something like that. So order list means one, two, three it will come. Okay. So there are a Roman letters are there, but you just have a order list means one, two, three will come. Unordered list means icons will come. So this is how we are going to be display the list item. Okay. So this is called a what we can say. So all this is everything is list only. If you see here, this is a list only. Okay. So next, what we are going to do. So this is called a list. We'll close this one. Okay. So this is the a list is for. Okay. So this is a pakka. They will ask interview, what is the table? Why we need a table? Can you explain the table structure? So table is to define the data in the table format. So there is starting with the table start and end tag inside a table row, table header, and again one more table row inside a table data. Like that you have to tell. Then list. So list is what? A list allows the web developers to group of a set of related items in the list. So there is a unordered list will be UL tag and each item is will be LI tag. This is a unordered list. So for that, then one more is the order list is there. That's it. The next is the block line inline. This is the if you attend an interview, whether as a fresher or experience, so this is the pakka question. Okay, what is this one? Okay, first will I will explain this one. Okay, so every HTML element has a default display value depending on the what type of element. So how there are a two display values, that is a block and a inline. So there are a two display value, that is a block and inline. What does it mean? Okay, first we'll check for the block level element. A block level element is a element always starts with the new line, whereas the block level elements always takes a full width of the available. So that is the block level element. What are all the block level elements? So these are all the block level elements. Okay. So address, article, and the inline element does not start with a new line. An inline element only takes up as much width is necessary. This is the span element inside the paragraph. So span, hello world, this is a how to. Here are in the inline elements are a abbreviation, acronym, and everything. Okay. So this is called an inline element. Okay. So now we will discuss about a practical thing. So first I am going to be demonstrate here example. So with the same file, I will take a one horizontal line. HR is a horizontal line. So then H2 block level element. So this is a one block level element. So then a div is there. This is a block level element div. Save it. We'll go to the browser. We'll understand. So this is the block level element. It is telling this. What is this one? Right click, inspect. Practically, I will show you. Just mouse over here. So what is telling that the block level element, it is taking the entire width of the screen. See here. This is taking the entire width of the screen, right? And it is going for the new line. What does it mean? Okay, I will explain that one. So first one is what? Block level element, it is taking the entire width of the screen. So that is the blue mark you are observing here. This is the entire width it has taken. And one more is the inline element. So how to define? Uh, I will add a one more HR tag, then H2 inline element. Then so span is the inline. The element takes as much space need. Save it. We'll go here. Okay. I will show here. I will select this one. If I mouse over means see, this is not taking a full width of the screen, whereas the div is taking a full width of the screen. So what we got to know, block level element. Okay, they will ask in the intro, what is the block level element and what is the element? Can you give an example? Yes, the block level element, it is taking the entire width of the screen, whereas a inline element, it will take as much space is required. So this it taken only as much space is required, and block level element, it is going for the new line. How? I used one more div element here. Second div, I use with a span, second span. See here, block level element is a one thing. It is taking the entire width of the screen, whereas and it is going for the new line. See, I have defined with the same row, but it is taking a new row. Whereas the inline element, it is taking as much space is required, and it is not going for the new line. See, this is the second element, this is the first element. So this is the second first element, and I added a one more element, it is taking a new line. Then what is the answer is the block element, it is taking the entire width of the screen and it is going for the new line for every element. Whereas a inline element of the elements, it is taking as much space is required and it is not going for the new line. So if you answer this one means, so then it is a pakka answer. Okay, so this is called a, this is a what we can say blocklet element. The next we are going to be discuss two topics, classes and ID. Then we will wind up. Tomorrow we are going to be complete all the examples. Okay, what is the IDM classes? This is also very important. Throughout your life you are dealing with this one. Okay, HTML classes and ID. Okay, what is the classes? The HTML class attribute is used to specify the class for a HTML element. The multiple HTML can share the same classes. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, I will take a one example here. Uh, I will discuss about a classes and ID. Then we will wind up this session. Okay, index9.html. Okay, so index9.html. So here a document is a shortcut key for create. The first one is a h2, the class. Okay, what is the class attribute? So first I will take a paragraph. I will add a one dummy paragraph. Okay, so this is we know this one. Okay, uh, I will take a same paragraph, copy. I will add a one horizontal line and control V. Then add a one more horizontal line and a control V. Save it. We'll go here. So I don't want to run a OpenUtilize server. Just I will change here A to 9, enter. Okay, so these are the three paragraphs are there. If you want to apply a style, means how to apply style, I will write a style attribute here. P, open close brace, border, 1 pixel, solid, blue. Okay, then mm, width is around 600 pixel, and color is brown. Save it. If I run means it is going to be apply for the all the paragraph. So here I don't want to apply a same color for three paragraph. So this only these two, okay, only these two will be same color and this is a different color. So for that, what I will do, I will use a one property called a class property. This is called a class property. My class is the class name. So this is the class. My class is by user defined name. I will copy this one, control C. I will just remove dot control V. It means it is going to be show the dot my class. So border 1 pixel solid blue, width equal to width is 600, color brown. Save it. Then if I go here, so it is applying for only this one. Why? Because I have used a class. So this class I can use a n number of time. I will use for third one also. Class, what is the class name? This is the class name. So we got to know why what is the use of class. The classes is a subset of a CSS rules. So that is apply for a specific element. So we have a three classes. Okay, I might have a one more thing called a I will add a one more horizontal, and I will add a one more thing called, what is this one, H5. Then I will add a loy param dummy text. Save it. Will run it. See here it is not applied. Only applied for the first one, third one. But I want to apply for the what we can say this tag as well. Okay, H5. So here the H5 open close brace. Okay. So here what happens? Uh, sorry, I will not write a H5 here. So just I will take a copy and I will add a class equals to class name. Save it. Open close. See here. See, I can use 1,000 places this class name. So this one common class will be shared to throughout your application. You have defined once and you are using multiple times. But I want a different color for this one. For that, I will write a one more class name, that is a dot another. What is this one? Another class. Open close brace. So I will just copy paste, but I will use a different properties. No worries. Blue. I will instead of blue, I will use something called a pink. So dark pink, and the color will be something. green, parrot green, something like that. Okay, if I run means no changes because I have to select this one control C and I need to add inside a paragraph class control V. So that is another class C. So this is a 3 is a 1, 2, 3. These three elements are sharing the same common class, but this one is sharing a one more class. So I can have a one more. What is this one? One more like what is that one? Pre-tag. Okay, pre-tag is there. Then I have a dummy text. Then I will add a the class name will be another class. Control S will go here. See here. Why the pre-tag it is exiting means it will take as it is a text is there. Okay, that's why it is showing like this. So if you want to break into lines, I think it will go below. Yeah, got it. So this one is sharing a two common classes and these three are sharing a one common class. So what we got to know this is the class is a one thing. So a group of us CSS rules we have defined and defined the class name. The class name we defined with a dot. If it is a class, it has to be come up with a dot in the style. Same thing for the tag. We need to call the class then the class name. Okay, so this is what is the advantage means. So you have 1,000 paragraph in your application. Okay, so 1,000 paragraph. All 1,000 paragraphs you need to share the common CSS. You don't need to write all 1,000 places. Okay, so just make a one classes and add a colors. Okay, or whatever the CSS property you want. So then 1,000 places you just use that class name. Okay, so this is called a classes. The next is the last one is the ID. Then we are going to be wind up this session. So what is the ID attribute? The ID attribute is a one thing. I will just use a horizontal line H3 the ID attribute. What is the ID attribute? So this is a uniqueness, somewhat similar to the classes, but this is the ID means what as the name. So identification or unique identification. Okay. So for that, how we are going to do? So I will use a one more paragraph and I will add a some dummy text. So here I want to add this one. So here the ID equals to demo. So I have created a ID demo. So here I want to write a style for this one. If it is a class means we are using a dot. If it is a ID means so that is a hash demo open close brace. Either you can use the same color or whatever the color. I will use a this one only 2 pixel and I will use a something called a black and width will be the color will be this color. Save it will go here. See here the ID attribute. So here the class means dot you are using. If ID means hash you are using. So why ID and it's look like similar, but if you go for a JavaScript and all, you are going to be get to know. Okay, ID is for the specific uniqueness it is going to be used, whereas a class is a for a what you can say what you can say same like you can define for a n number of a time. So I will take a one more copy control V same paragraph ID I will use. See it is showing like this, but where it is used ID and where it is a classes means. So if you see in the JavaScript we are going to be understand how the ID is going to be helpful. Okay, so this is all about the today's session. So I think we have discussed about what is the images and what is the background images, what is the table, what is the list, what is the block level and inline, what is the class, and what is the ID. So this is the pakka interview question whether you attend as a fresher or if you attend as a 10-year experience guy. These are all the uh, common questions they will going to be asked. Okay, fine. So I think you people don't have any doubts. So if any doubt means, so anyhow, feel free to ask me a question. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. We'll meet on tomorrow at same time.